What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to add an app back to your home screen on an iPhone. If you've accidentally removed an app from your home screen, don't worry, it's still on your device. To add an app back to your home screen, the first thing you need to do is access the app library. To do this, swipe left of your home screen pages until you reach the app library. You notice that the app library has different folders, each labeled with categories like social, productivity, entertainment, and so on. If you don't see the app immediately, don't worry, you can easily find it by using the search function. At the top of the app library, you'll see a search bar. Tap on this search field and start typing the name of the app you want to add back to your home screen. As you type, the search results will begin to populate with apps that match your search. Once you see an app that you're looking for, you're almost there. Now, to add the app back to your home screen, simply touch and hold the app icon in the search results. After holding it for a second or two, a menu will pop up with several options. One of these options will be Add to Home Screen. Tap on this option and the app will be placed back on your home screen where it originally was. You can then move it around or place it in a specific folder, just like any other app on your home screen. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.